Well, one new update that has come onto Power BI is how you import images. Now you can either use clicking here to bring in image into your visual, or you can use it directly here from your visualization tab. So once you click on it, any of them works. But unlike before, where you just click on the image and it takes you to your file manager, at this point, whenever you bring in the image, you have to come to Style and then click on Image here and just select Upload Image. Make sure it's set here, and then you just click on Browse. So once you click on Browse, you can easily takes you to your file manager, and you can just look for the icon that you need. So maybe I want to import something like let's say any image that is on my system, right? I can just pick on this one and just click open. So that way, as I click on open, it comes in here, and there you have it. So you can also adjust it to stretch, to fill. So you can fill it this way. You can fill it. You can set it to fill the entire section. You can also set it to centralize. So that gives like a zoom effects and all of that.